We sang to each other for a while too. Have you seen the ocean out here yet?
I say, take me away to a place I never been. For all these years,
Shut the fuck
I
up.
shed these
I'll smoke
tears.
the shit out of you.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my! Look at this shit! Did you see this shit?
Welcome to the ocean, boys.
Why did you go down there?
That's the ferry, otherwise I would.
Is it Tinkerbell?
Oh my god, dude. I don't do it next weekend.
Verga, I'm gonna come in here and get naked. Hey, is it illegal to skinny dip out here?
Give it a shot. See what happens.